In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn abroad. This process can be a game changer if you're looking to expand your horizons and find job opportunities in other countries. Let's dive right into the steps. First things first, navigate your browser to linkedin.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign into your account. Enter your username and password, and once you hit that sign in button, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. This is usually where you engage with your network, read posts and catch up on industry news. But today our focus is on finding job listings abroad. Now, right at the top of your LinkedIn page, you'll notice several icons. Click on Jobs. This section is dedicated to helping you find career opportunities, and it's where you can access LinkedIn's vast job search functionalities. Once you're in the Jobs section, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is where you enter keywords related to the job you're seeking. You can type in a specific skill, job title, or even the name of a company. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you might want to search for positions related to graphic design. This will bring up a list of opportunities relevant to the criteria you've entered. Next, you'll have the option to specify the location of your job search. This is particularly useful if you're looking for jobs outside your current country. Let's use the Philippines as our initial location. Type Philippines into the location field and LinkedIn will filter listings accordingly. But say you want to expand your search to another country. Simply clear the location field and type in a different country. For instance, if you're interested in exploring opportunities in the United States, go ahead and type United States. After entering your desired country, you'll see LinkedIn auto-populate a list of options. Click on United States when it appears. With your location set, make sure everything looks good in your search criteria. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click that search button. This will execute your search, bringing up a streamlined list of jobs based on the title or skill you entered, now tailored for the location you've selected. This approach allows you to explore new possibilities and maybe even find your dream job in a location you've always wanted to move to. Remember, job hunting can sometimes be a journey in itself, but by using tools like LinkedIn effectively, you're already one step ahead in broadening your career horizons. Thanks for watching and happy job hunting.